Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. BJP candidate from Bangalore South seat has come under EC's eyes. The Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer has made an announcement today. The Election Commission has booked the incumbent BJP MP and their candidate Tejasvi Surya for soliciting votes on the grounds of religion. The case has been booked by the Election Commission of India against Tejasvi Surya's recent post on social media platform X. The case was booked on April 25, that is yesterday. This case was registered by the Election Commission of India just a day before the seat on which Tejasvi Surya is contesting went for polling. In a statement, the poll body said that they booked Tejasvi Surya for posting a video on X handle and soliciting votes on the grounds of religion. Today, polls were held in 14 constituencies in Karnataka, which also includes Tejasvi Surya's seat, Bangalore South. The video which Tejasvi Surya posted was a video of Ayodhya Ram Temple. He, in a post caption, wrote that after a wait of almost 500 years and wish of crores of Indians was fulfilled by PM Modi. Point to note here is, information that Tejasvi Surya has been booked by Election Commission has been revealed a day after booking him. Now, why this delay of one day in announcing that Tejasvi Surya has been booked? When it is a BJP candidate, the delay works. But when it is a Congress or opposition candidate, is there a delay? Have you seen a delay? The whole point here is, the announcement would have been made a little earlier. This could have been brought out in public yesterday because the seat on which Tejasvi Surya is contesting went on polling today. The public of that constituency, that is Bangalore South, have full rights to know about whom they are voting for. If this information on Tejasvi Surya would have been made public on the day of booking him, then the public of South Bangalore would have made their choices accordingly. Now imagine, you as a voter not knowing if the candidate in your constituency has been booked a day before the poll. Do let us know what you think. Would the choice of voters would have changed if they had information about Tejasvi Surya's case? Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.